Welcome to Rediscovering Inner Universe. I thank you all for being there with me for all these 5 days. I hope I could add a little value in your life. Here I'm going to share a daily practice schedule which is going to help you to inculcate all the practices which you have learned from this course in your everyday life. So, here comes the 7-day chart. There is water charging in the morning. You can make a habit of doing this every single day. Vision board, do it 3 times a day. It takes around 3 to 5 minutes and you need to do it 3 times a day. Then it will be more effective. Then comes Chinchin Jutsu. You can do it once a day. You can do it for only one finger, or you can do it for all the fingers. You can do it for one hand or both the hands. Anytime you can do. You are listening to something, you are watching TV, and you are just doing something where your hands are empty. You can just keep on doing this. While doing this, try to give intention and do this. If you have fear, anxiety, this is going to help you a lot. Then the meditation, you can do any one of these meditation every day. And if you do not want to do any one of this, at least go to your mental space and spend some time over there. Yog Nidra is very good for removing anxiety, worry, and insomnia. You can try that. And energy healing meditation is going to help you heal yourself. So, if not every day, at least twice or thrice a week, try to do the meditation. And whenever you feel tired, you can do Yog Nidra. And then comes gratitude writing. Maintain your gratitude journal at least for 2 months and see, you will start being positive because now you start recognizing all the positive things happening to you. Your mindset will become positive. And last but not the least, there are some other activities which you can do, like mind map. Whenever you feel that you need more ideas and you need to plan something, you are taking notes, you can use the mind map. You can do the aura healing and grounding 3 times a week. Or if you are going out meeting other people and other people are going to your house, that time also you can do it once. Because you are coming in contact with other people, no? So maybe the negativity from their aura can come to your aura. Because our aura is always interacting with each other. So if you are going out frequently, then you must do aura healing. If you are at home, you are not meeting other people much, then you can do it only once a week. And keep on practicing using your non-dominant hand in the form of cooking or brushing your teeth or coloring or writing or any other activity which you mostly prefer to use your right hand. Try to do those activities using your left hand. To stay healthy, it is very important that we should keep ourselves moving. So here I have shared few activities for which you can spend at least 15 minutes of your time. You can do aerobics, you can do walking in the nature, yoga, yogic stretches, cycling, Zumba or dancing. You can play some indoor games or outdoor games. Keep moving, and this is going to give you better health. When you do not use any electronic gadget for a long time, what happens to it? It gets rust and it stops functioning, right? Similar thing happens with our joints and bones. We need to keep it moving. Otherwise, it will also get weak. At least spend 15 minutes a day for any type of physical movement. You can practice the relationship healing as and when required. Though I have mentioned that go to your mental space as and when required, but I would suggest, if possible, do this practice every day, particularly when you go to sleep. Before that, you go to your dream world, and if you feel stressed out, that time also you can do. Otherwise, when you are going to sleep, you can go to your mental space and then you see your short term goals over there, because that time your brain waves are slowing down and your brain wave is slowly moving from beta state to alpha and theta and then delta. So that time not only healing happens, but also whatever you are visualizing, your subconscious get programmed, and very soon you are going to manifest that. So it is very important that you invest time in yourself, because you are very precious. If you do not spend some time with yourself, then you are going to miss a very important conversation with a very important person. So please spend some time with yourself. Give 30 minutes a day for your life. You do a lot of things for other people. Give 30 minutes of your time every day and bring positivity, bring health, happiness in your life. Thank you, everyone. It was a wonderful journey with you all. Thank you so much, and God bless you.